back. They can fall asleep just like that, can't they? I apologise to the passenger that's snoring.
But he's cheering everyone up. They're all laughing. Can I just point out, he's not my boyfriend.